If you found a glowing green drop in your backyard, what would you do? If you touched it, would you glow too? You grab a tiny stick and oops, it fizzes and hisses. Your heart races. What is this mysterious liquid? That's where toxicology comes in, if you're brave enough to ask. Meet Dr. Toxie, the friendly toxicologist with sparkly goggles, and a talking robot frog named Ribbit. Ribbit probes, if we taste it, we might turn into swamp monsters. But Dr. Toxie smiles and says, no tasting allowed, only careful tests. First, they put on gloves, then goggles. If you wear these, you stay safe. They fill a test tube with water and drip in one tiny drop of the glowing stuff. Pop, the water turns rainbow blue. Says Dr. Toxie. This tells us it reacts with water. Now we measure how strong it is. Ribbit hops nervously. If it's super strong, what then? Dr. Toxie leans in. Then even a tiny bit could harm you. But if it's weak, maybe it's safe. Next, they mix a little powder from a harmless plant. If the powder stops the fizz, they know it can neutralize the drop. Ribbit claps his webby hands. That's like making an antidote. You learn, in toxicology, an antidote can save lives. Then Dr. Toxie says, if we were on Mars and found alien goo, we'll do the same test. You imagine floating in a rocket, dripping goo into cubes. If it glows red, maybe it's too hot or too acid. If it glows green, maybe it's just friendly slime. Back in the backyard, Toxie shows you a chart. Safe, warning, danger. If a chemical is green on the chart, it's okay. If it's yellow, watch out. If it's red, run far away. You see how toxicologists protect people, pets, plants, even space explorers. Ribbit smiles. If you love puzzles and want to keep friends safe, toxicology is your superpower. You realize every medicine, every cleaning spray, even every candy wrapper, someone tested it with tiny drop. Big machines and smart question. Now it's your turn. If you're curious about drugs, powders or alien goo, grab your goggles, read a book, and become a backyard toxicologist. Who knows what glowing mystery you'll solve next?